Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model Y rear tail light. This is a straightforward process you can do yourself with just a few common tools. You will need some pry tools, a socket wrench, an 8mm socket, and a short extension. Having an 8mm stubby wrench can also be very helpful for tight spaces. First, open your trunk to access the area behind the tail light. You'll need to unscrew the two rubber bumper stops. Next, gently unclip the latch cover and the long trim piece along the rear. After that, locate and remove the two plastic push clips on the main panel. This will start to free up the interior trim, giving you better access to the light assembly. Now, carefully pull downwards to loosen the remaining plastic trim clips around the edges. Once the trim is sufficiently loose, disconnect the white electrical clip, usually found on the passenger side, by pushing its tab and pulling it out. Then, use your 8mm socket wrench to loosen the 1/8mm nut securing the tail light. Finally, use your pry tools to gently free the light from its plastic clips and pull it straight out. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Position the tail light, ensuring it aligns correctly, then push it firmly into place. Reinstall the 8mm nut and reconnect the electrical harness, making sure the red safety tab is engaged. Finally, snap all the interior trim pieces and clips back into their original positions, ensuring everything is secure and flush. Double-check your work for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.